Yo, what is going on YouTube? I've spent a long time searching on Google and watching other YouTube tutorials looking for NBA 2K26 locker codes. And the ones that I'm going to show you are the very best ones currently working and available, guys. You can get free VC, free cap breakers. And as you can see, most of the codes are expired that you can find online. They don't work. And the ones that I'm going to show you are by far the very best locker codes for 2K26. Before I show you these, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am doing a huge gift card giveaway for all of the platforms that you're definitely not going to want to miss out. So let's get into it and show you how to get these 2K26 locker codes. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well, guys. Just use your mobile. It makes it a lot easier to get your locker code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So go to www.crashcoupons.com, type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser, and Crash Coupons is basically a game code website. You can see they actually have 2K25 and other things. So what you need to look for, guys, is the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. So I'm just using the search bar and I've typed in NBA, and here is the page here, guys. So there is a list of coupons, but basically click on this page and it is going to bring up the 2K26 locker codes page. You can get the Taz face, you can get cap breakers, you can even get a free copy of the game if you don't have it, but if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you do. And this is probably the best locker code for 2K26, 450,000 VC for completely free. And yeah, these are the best locker codes, guys, taking just a few minutes, and it is going to save you a bunch of money. I'm sure you're aware how much a VC costs in NBA 2K26, and it is expensive. So you need to unlock your code, guys. It does limit one of these codes. As you can see, there is a numbered amount here. There's loads of them, but it does stop people getting all of them. So you can only do this once, and you need to unlock your code. So click on this button, and you're going to be greeted by this page here called the Code Unlocker, and it is for Crash Coupons. So basically, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So basically, guys, there is an important part here that says follow the unlock instructions below each app. So basically, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page, and these tasks are completely free. They take about 5 minutes. And this basically will unlock your code. So you just need to make sure you read the text that tells you what to do. These are really easy things. Like this one is an application. It says download, install this app, and create an account. So yeah, basically just follow the instructions for 2 of these, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your NBA 2K26 locker code will be revealed, and you redeem it in game, and it's going to give you the corresponding reward. So that is it, guys. Really awesome. That is basically the best locker codes. So go to Crash Coupons and then search for the 2K26 page using the search bar, and just select whichever code you want. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.